Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is purple color, blue color, red color, parrot color, pink color, yellow color, green color, and the last one is sky blue color. Now it's time to color a pencil. How many pencils can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 pencils.